So I decided to go around the city to look at some Christmas lights. And here are some of the amazing lights that I found. Coming right up after this. What is happening, my beautiful people? My name is Richard, and on this channel we provide you with tips, tricks, strategies to enhance your international student experience. I also share my experiences living in the US for a while, so if this is content that you like, consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. Also follow us on our Twitter handle at globe_engage to stay up to date with previews and sneak peek into our upcoming videos. One of my favorite times of the year, considering situations, is the holidays. And the reason is that I get to go out just to look at some amazing lights. Mind you, in the US, people take lights and Christmas decorations very, very seriously. Unfortunately, I don't decorate my house. I don't have a tree. I don't have lights. So what I do is I go out there and appreciate people's talents, creativity, and the effort they put into decorating their homes with Christmas lights. So here are some of the Christmas lights in my neighborhood. And the reason I'm limiting this to my neighborhood is that, of course, we are in the pandemic season and I don't feel comfortable going out. I hardly really go out. So I took a stroll around my neighborhood with my camera and I saw some really impressive lights. Some were overkill and some were sufficient enough. So I thought I would make this quick video just to share some of the lights that I've seen just around my neighborhood and also in the main city. I mean, some of the places that I couldn't get to go, but my little friend Penelope was able to capture some amazing footages for us. So here are some Christmas lights for you to enjoy, just to give you a little bit of perspective into how far people go just to make their homes stand out during Christmas. Share with us in the comment section below which of these lights are your favorites and why. Who knows, we might send something your way. Until I see you in the next video, happy holidays. Peace.